Act 3, Scene 5 of Merchant of Venice. The revision we are going to start. First of all, the introduction for the scene, we have to get it. That is Belmont, a garden. Enter Lancelot and Jessica. Here in this scene, we are going to discuss that now keep it and sit there. In the scene, Lancelot, yes, truly for look you, the sins of the father are to be laid upon the children. There the dialogue begins. Lancelot is the servant of, at present he is the servant of Bassanio. Earlier he was the servant of Shylock. Shylock, under Shylock, he did not like to do his service, so he left the place and reached Bassanio, and Bassanio is very happy to receive him. After that, Bassanio went to Belmont to the right casket, and he was very happy to continue his life there till that time. So many other matches had taken place that you all know. Means Antonio was in trouble, and Antonio was needed serious help. Bassanio was the only person to help, so he was ready to go back. That time he left his servant there. Means Lancelot was there in Belmont, and Bassanio was in Venice. So another matter also happened. Portia was not able to stay there in Belmont because she wants to help her husband as well as her husband's friend. So she also tried to reach Venice. She was not ready to go alone, so she sought the help of Nerissa. That means Portia and Nerissa both together went to Venice. But she was not ready to say that she was going to Venice. She wanted to say that both of them were going for a prayer, for a long-term prayer nearby Belmont. So that was the situation there. After that, Portia did another major important step she had done. That was to keep the in charge of the house. Who became the in charge of the house? Lorenzo and Jessica were appointed as the in charge of the house. So they are also very happy because they did not have any peaceful life. So they became the in charge of the house. Then Lorenzo was busy with so many activities at home as he was the in charge, and Jessica was very happy there because he also got proper respect and reputation. So she was also very happy there. Then Lancelot was her servant earlier, is it? That means her father's servant means her servant also. Earlier, where? In Venice. Now, Lancelot is the servant of Bassanio, but now at present, Bassanio is not at home. Portia is not at home. The in charge of the house is Lorenzo and Jessica. Naturally, Lancelot becomes the servant of Jessica. Earlier, he was the servant of Jessica. Now he is the servant of Jessica. Anyway, that is the situation here. As an introduction, we have to discuss that. After that, Lancelot says that Jessica may not reach heaven. She may not have any reputation in the society, as well as there is no chance to reach heaven. And it is a Bible reference. The reference is according to the Jewish belief. Reference is from Bible, but it is from the first part of Bible. First part is mostly followed by Jewish, and the second part is mostly followed by Christians. So the first part of Bible, Jewish Bible, is known as Torah. T-H-O-R-A. Torah is the religious book of Jewish. That is the part of Bible. The present Bible consists of two parts. First part is known as the Old Testament, and the first part of Bible completely is not included in Torah. Major part of the first part of the Bible is Torah, and that is the religious book of Jewish. There it is said that a person who has done any serious crime will be punished. At the same time, his children also will be, means his or her children also will be punished. Grandchildren will be punished. Great-grandchildren will also be punished. Like that, the effect of the crime will hand over to 7 generations. First, second, and third generation. That means, according to this rule, this statement, we come to know that child of bad deeds, his crime and sin will come upon Jessica. That is the first generation. And Jessica's children, then grandchildren, like that it may continue. That only here, Lancelot told that you don't be very happy here. You are not going to be praised or blessed. You are not allowed to enter into heaven not because of your deed, it is because of your father's bad deeds. Then Jessica is not ready to accept it and receive it. She replies that she will not bear any such a punishment because she is not a Jewish girl. Now she is a Christian. How? Earlier she was the daughter of China, but after the marriage of the girl, her identity and religion will be as per the religion and identity of her husband. Now she is a Christian and she has to follow the second part of the Bible, that is the New Testament, not the Jewish religious book. Torah is not important for her. Bible, second part of the Bible, New Testament is important for her. And according to the New Testament of Bible, her future will be decided as per her own deed. If she has done good deed, she will be given grace, blessings. And if she has done any wrong deed, only for that she will be punished. Means her present state is safe, foretold. She herself told that she is safe because she is not a Jewish girl, she is a Christian girl now, and her husband served her. Then she refers the name, her husband, Lorenzo's name mentioned there. Lancelot turns towards him. He was not there, but his presence is not there, but physical presence is not there, but to his wife, Jessica, he started giving some blame that her husband's deeds are not good. What is his mistake? he is converting Christians in, sorry, Jewish into Christians. Conversion, religious conversion he is doing. That is the wrong thing. Then in a society, we have to consider that it is a wrong deal. She is doing, uh, she is doing all the good deeds as a wife, but her husband is not doing good deed because he is not a good person in the society. Religious conversion is making lot of disturbance in the society and increasing number of Christians in the society may make so many other problems. Religious imbalance will be there, and another thing is the market price will be increased. So that also should be considered. Come back to the lines. Here, Lansford says that Portia is wrong in her deed, not because of her own deed, because of father's wrong deed. So she will not reach heaven. And she says that she is saved by her husband. Her husband converted her to Jessica's husband Lorenzo convert Jessica to Jewish from Christianity, so she is saved. But Lansford says that not only Jessica but also Lorenzo is also a wrong person. He is converting Jewish people into Christianity and the number of Christians increase. If the number of Christians increase, another matter is there, the economy of the society will be totally disturbed. Means Christians having the habit of arranging parties and they may buy maximum non-vegetarian, especially the meat of pork, meat of a pig, that is known as pork. And when the demand for this meat, pork, the price of the pork will increase, then if one item in the market is costly, related other things also will become costly. Means market price will increase. Market price, if the market price increase, what may happen? The second is people may suffer a lot because income may not increase immediately, but our expense will be increased. Nowadays also we are suffering the same because during in between this lockdown period and all, maximum number of people were not able to do their work, but daily they had their food that for that expense. No bill having any difference. All the bill, electricity bill, phone bill, then school fees, like that, all the fees and all the charges people should pay, but income almost zero. Like that situation we face. The same only here also told that because of the more number of Christians, the demand for more eatables, then we may have another doubt. Jewish may not have any such demand. They don't have one food because Jewish people having different way of life. They mostly having the habit of saving more and more money and spending less and minimum food. They don't have any gathering or party or something like that. No such celebrations. They try to avoid each and every expensive method of life. Way of life mostly simple and very less expenditure they try to make. That is why they may save more and more money but spending less money. But number of Christians increase, their habit. Nowadays, you know that here in Punjab also we are having the habit of celebration, marriage related parties. Many days program and varieties of food items, maybe dance, then DJ, like that. Then even drink. This all are from Europe. We have adopted these all habits from Europe. Means Europeans, mostly Christians, they are having the habit of celebrating. They celebrate their life, and we are also following almost the same. But Jewish people do not have that habit, so it is not good from the part of Lorenzo that the number of Christians should not be increased. Jessica says that she will report this blame to Lorenzo. Till that time, Lorenzo comes to the scene, and Lorenzo wish, and at the same time, Lorenzo says a funny comment there. What is the comment there? He says that Jessica is his wife, but he does not have enough time to talk to her. But Lancelot is always spending time with her. So he is jealous of Lancelot. Like that, funny comment he said. But Jessica seriously took. Jessica really thought that Lorenzo is having a doubt about her. So she says that no, we were not talking, we were not spending our time for a friendly talk. Really, we were talking and making arguments, and there is a quarrel between us. There was no friendly talk there. That she told. After that, she says, Jessica raised the complaints. Two complaints were there. One is about her and one is about her husband. One is Jessica will not reach heaven. That was the first blame made by Lancelot. Then second is her husband. Lorenzo is not a good person in the society because he is encouraging conversion. He is converting Jewish to Christianity. So that blame is on you, and you have to ask Lorenzo. But Lorenzo is not ready to take it seriously. He takes it as a fun. Why? Because these all matters told by Lancelot is not a serious matter. These all are friends, and among friends, so many like talk like that, so many discussion like that. It will not be seriously considered. That is why Lorenzo told that dinner should be made ready because he is feeling hungry. He wants to get food fast. Then Lancelot says that he himself and the other servants already arranged it. Only the empty stomach you have to bring. That is also a funny comment. You have to bring your empty stomach and fill it and go. Means come and have your food, and those who feel hungry can have it. The dinner is ready and all the servants are ready there. And here Lancelot uses many funny comments by using pun. Pun means one word having different meaning. Means direct meaning and indirect meaning, entirely different meaning also used for one word. Especially they use the word cover. The word cover is used there. Cover means, first meaning is supply food on the table. Cover the table with the varieties of food. That is one meaning. Second meaning is cover the head. You might have seen several suppliers. They are having the habit of keeping a long cap. That is also known as cover the head. Or the word is used there, both places cover. Cover the head or cover the table. Supply food on the table, one meaning. Another meaning, to become a supplier for dinner. Like that he says, then Lancelot says that I know what is my reputation, what is my duty, that I know. So you don't interfere there. You come and have your food. All type of food is available here, and according to your demand, according to your interest, varieties of food will be provided, so there is no tension about it. Like that, long comment, Lancelot states. Till there, once you read it, and after that we may continue. Okay, again come back. After this all, Lorenzo is very happy to say that Lancelot's way of talking is very interesting. He is using double meaning in some words and very funny comments he is expressing. Here, Jessica was not able to enjoy the funny comments. She took it very seriously, everything. But Lorenzo took it as a funny comment and he did not take any seriousness in that. And he says that Lancelot is really like a farmer. What the farmer is doing? His major work is to sow seeds in the field and take care of the plant, and he may harvest and get a huge amount of food grain. Maybe he might have used a packet of seeds he might have used in the field, but hundreds of packets seeds that wheat or other food grain he may get back. Similar way, Lancelot has a number of words in his memory. His memory is considered as the field. He has kept a number of words in his memory, and he makes thousands and thousands of words out of that few words. That means he is performing his duty as a farmer and he is making number of then Jessica was listening to her husband's comment and her husband end of the praising words to Lancelot. He turns towards Jessica and asks her, "What is your opinion about worship? How is she? What is her character?" Because she has just reached and having a very short-term relation with Portia. But now Portia is not there. Portia, according to them, Portia went for a prayer nearby, and Portia is not present there. So Lorenzo wants to know what is the real character of Portia. Then another question we may have. Lorenzo and Jessica come to Belmont same time. Together only they reach. Then why don't Lorenzo come to know the proper character of Portia? Any reason? He cannot understand. No. My question is, Lorenzo and Jessica came to Belmont same day. Spend same duration. Portia went away from there. Maybe 2 or 3 days or 1 week. Whatever it is, whatever the duration is same for both husband and wife. But husband is not aware of Portia's proper character. But he is asking his wife, what is your opinion about? What is your opinion about Portia? Why it may be? Because a lady knows another lady better than a man. Is it? That is why this question he asked. Jessica can identify what is the real character of Portia than the Lorenzo's way of understanding. And maybe it will be mostly different. That is why he asked. Anyway, Jessica gives a very positive answer. She says that it is not possible to explain by using words. Means her character and behavior and way of conduct is highly appreciable, but it is not possible to appreciate by using words. Beyond explanation it is. That means very good character she is. Then she gives an example. Her character, behavior and her dealing, each and everything highly appreciable, and is that once the gods in heaven plan to have a competition, a very competitive challenge, to challenge for a both of them were, but there was during the challenge there was an agreement. One of the gods, the other will be defeated. Nobody knows. Decision. There should be given a gift by the loser. One who is defeated should hand over a gift to the winner. Then that gift also decided two beautiful, very good character, all the good qualities. Two girls should be chosen from the earth and taken to heaven, and that two girls should be the gift for the winner. That was the decision. That decision agreed by both the god, and they started their competition, their game. They started. After some time, naturally, one of the god was defeated, the other became the winner. The defeated god immediately came on earth, and within seconds, the god was able to find out the highly talented, very beautiful, very impressive character girl who was that Portia. Portia was Susan. Then the god kept Portia there and went for another girl to get. And it was easy for the god to find, because what should be the character of a good girl? That is very evident. Because who was there? Portia was there, equal to Portia. Another girl should be there. But the problem arose after that. He made many round, all around the earth, but the God was able to find another equal quality girl. And still the God is on earth, and the God is not able to find second girl equal to Portia. Means in a very strange way, Jessica described the character of Portia. Within one sentence we can explain like that. Portia's character and behavior, her beauty and other qualities cannot be comparable. An equal one was not there. After listening, Lorenzo says that a similar character husband is also here. You may not find it, but there is a husband here, and that husband is also having same character, same qualities. And Jessica understood that he is describing about himself. Jessica said that I will tell, you don't say yourself, you don't try to praise yourself, that I will say, that I will say, Jessica will say. Then Lorenzo says, now don't try to praise me because we are going to have our dinner, and to have dinner is very encouraging matter, and to listen praising words, that also very encouraging. Both together should not be, because both are both may not be digested together. So separately it should be. First we have to have dinner. After dinner, what we may discuss personal talk. There you can praise me, and both will be separately digested. Maybe happy in it, like a very funny comment. With the funny comment, the scene starts, and the same way another funny comment, the scene comes to an end. So that's all the scene. All of you should once more read it. I think almost all the points in that scene already discussed there. Then those who have not completed the workbook and all, do it. Now regularly we have to continue our work. Slowly and gradually you have to come back to the present state of our study. Means 1.5 years back, around 2 years back, how we were doing the same way we try to continue. So that's all today's class.